Open the file. Read the date. Read the name. Read what they erased. One birth entry buried in dust. One father dead, one broken trust. A child rerouted, broken trust. A child rerouted through a silent gate. Stamped by hands that changed his fate. They changed the name. They changed the line. They changed the blood into a sign. But paper burns slower than fear. And the archive kept me here. The archive does not forgive. The record is still alive. The record is still alive. You can overwrite the registry, but the dead know where I survived. Where I survived. The archive does not forgive. The bloodline did not die. Born before the lie was written, I return under my name. Language locked behind a wall. Mother erased from the protocol. Father's shadow in a probate file. Childhood sold with a bureaucrat's smile. Case number loaded. Identity mismatch detected. Inheritance trace restored. Record rejected. Biological continuity active. Dossier execution confirmed. The archive does not forgive. The record is still alive. The record is still alive. You can overwrite the registry, but the dead know where I survive. Where I survived. Born before the lie was written, I return under my name.